Now, do you want a cloud in there? I'm just going to simply pick up some titanium white out of the tube on my fan brush. I love using the fan brush for carry on from behind the mount and create some kind of, stamp it on, just something that's whispering up into the sky. There's some kind of cloud. See what I've done? Boom. Grab a blending brush and some Chuck's towel. You always got to wipe. I do anyway. And we'll get this. Everything's got to be that way in the sky, okay? Left and right with the horizon, just to get the body of the cloud looking okay. And then we can blend it. Blend the edges right out sometimes. See there? I've blended that edge right out. I left that bit there. I like that pocket there. I like this bit. And I'll probably blend this to the edge of the painting there like that. See, clouds are just any old way. There's no real set way a cloud has to be. I'm going to just try and fix this up here somehow, just so I'm happy with it. And that's it, a simple cloud for those who wanted to put a cloud in the sky.